What is the low cost, low maintenance business that I can start in China? This is one of the frequently asked questions on the channel, and usually it comes from international students or people who don't have access to large amounts of money, but they have ambitions, they want to start business in China. Today I'm going to answer this question, and there are two businesses that I would like to propose. Number one business that you can start with low budget, almost free, is sourcing, procurement and quality assurance agency. What does this kind of agency do and how can you start this? If you are physically located in China, especially international student, as we discussed before, you cannot register directly a Chinese company. But what you can do is you can register a company in Hong Kong and then use that company for your sourcing, procurement and quality assurance orders. So basically you use social media, advertise, you create brand, work on it, create videos, and then once you have clients, you let them pay to your Hong Kong company. And you being physically in China makes it possible for you to visit the factories, visit the marketplaces like Yiwu and Guangzhou and Foshan, for example, other places where you can find a lot of suppliers, meet with them and use your Hong Kong company to do the payment on behalf of your clients. And most importantly, because you are physically here, you go to the factory to check the quality of the goods. So you can charge your clients based on these services. I can give you some example. Usual service charge for such services is around 5% from the total amount, which includes procurement, sourcing and also quality assurance. Sometimes if you're lucky, you can charge up to 7-8% from the total amount, and this is what most of the procurement sourcing agencies are charging. Second low cost, low maintenance business that you can start is marketing agency. Same thing, if you are physically here and you're an international student, you cannot register a company directly. Again, what we recommend is you register your company in Hong Kong, and then because you are physically in China, you can start running your own Douyin account. Douyin is the alternative of TikTok in China. It's basically Chinese TikTok. So you can start your channel, personal channel, and then try posting videos on different products from abroad or on different companies. Maybe in the beginning you can do it for free, and slowly you increase your audience. So once you have your channel at least like few thousand subscribers, then you can offer that to your clients. It's kind of a gateway for them to advertise their products. And also, except for Douyin, there is a WeChat channel. WeChat channel is also widely used across China. Even like if you look at the viewers, the statistics, a lot of viewers can be gained within a matter of hours actually, compared to, for example, YouTube or traditional social media platforms, TikTok and Douyin, and also this WeChat channel. They offer a wide range of audience, so it's easier to get more views. So you can leverage that as well. You can use this, run few months, get some subscribers, and then use your personal account as a gateway for your clients who want to enter the Chinese market. And slowly actually you can talk to the Chinese companies as well, offer them to same services to market their products outside of China by taking advantage of international social media, for example YouTube, Facebook, etc., etc. So this business is very low cost. All you have to do is register a company in Hong Kong, for the marketing agency, and that's it. We will help you register the company, open a bank account in a matter of days. Totally, it takes no more than 10 days. So once again, to summarize, number one, procurement, sourcing, and quality assurance agency. Number two is the marketing agency. These are the lowest, cheapest types of businesses. Because we get this question a lot from different people with different backgrounds, especially the ones who don't have access to a lot of funds. And besides it, of course, there are types of businesses that you can start with a low budget, which might be related to the skills that you are familiar with. For example, recently we had this client who is a writer. So she set up a company. Basically, it's kind of a graphic design, business consultancy company. She's a kind of ghostwriter. She takes orders, she writes novels, she creates different types of, writing work. Basically, it can be copywriting. And most of you know, if you follow this channel, now you can start a company as a one person in China. You don't have to really provide the second person who is the supervisor. So as a one person, you can start this company, and you can become a freelancer, in other words, but with your own LLC in China. But of course, given that you want to switch the visa to the company visa immediately. If you're an international student, then we don't recommend that. But again, for the international students, the same offer that I've been telling is to register the company in Hong Kong instead of China. But when you're closer to graduation, then you can consider opening a mainland China company. Another question related to this is we get for example, people ask, why do you charge to open a bank account in Hong Kong when it's free? Well, we totally understand that. Actually, this is not the first time I'm answering this question, so let me talk about it again here. It's free when you do it yourself. When you hire a professional agency like ours, of course we're going to charge for our time and effort. So that's natural. Okay, so what we are charging for the assistance to open a bank account is again for our time and work that we put into it, into the process of assisting you. And the success rate is actually 95+%. When you do it yourself, yeah, go ahead, you can try, it's free, no problem. Regarding company formation, now in Hong Kong it's not free. It used to be free. There was not, the government fee was very minimal, but now it's been raised. Actually, it's been increased. So if you register the company in Hong Kong, you will end up paying the same fee to the government that we are offering. Actually, our service fee for Hong Kong company registration, I'm not going to announce it here, but it includes the government fees plus a little bit profit for our job. All right, and obviously for the bank account we charge separately because we spend time and effort in the process. Yeah, in China the same thing. You can go through the process yourself if you want, and everything is free. And sometimes there are some government fees depending on the location and depending on the type of company. But again, if you hire an agency, it should actually go. It should go without saying. If you hire somebody, you need to pay for their time and work, right? So you should expect a service fee. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to the office now. Sorry about the quality of the video because we are passing through the tunnel. I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.